Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing one last Space Gray Mac accessory. Apple has discontinued the Space Gray Magic Trackpad, Magic Keyboard, and Magic Mouse since they discontinued the iMac Pro, which is the only iMac that came in Space Gray. So I'm going to unbox this Magic Trackpad one last time. I have a Magic Mouse and a Magic Keyboard in Space Gray, so I figured I would add this while I still could. They do have the trackpads and stuff coming out in these color matching colors for the new iMacs, but they are not available to purchase separately at the time of this video. So really the only thing you're able to get after the Apple stores and Apple website run out of this trackpad are going to be the white ones. So that's why I kind of rushed to pick this up, is because I didn't want to have a white trackpad and a black Magic Mouse and keyboard. I wanted them to all be color matched. So here in the box you do get the cable, which is a black lightning cable. One of the only ways I know you can get this is with the Space Gray accessories. We have a little pamphlet here with some documentation, the warranty information and stuff like that. No Apple stickers, as this is just an accessory. And then here is the trackpad itself. A nice Space Gray glass top and a completely dark black bottom with the Apple logo and just some regulatory information on the bottom. But it is a glass top. The trackpad itself does not click. It is just like the haptic feedback trackpads on the MacBooks, which is very nice. So if you turn it off, you actually can't feel it moving at all. And then when you turn it on, you can hear that slight subtle click. You can enable silent clicking in the software on the Mac if you do choose. But that is the Magic Trackpad, one last Space Gray accessory. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.